It's not even gonna hit over here. Wow. It's gonna pass right over here. That's cool.
In this area right here. Okay, we're gonna go out a little bit farther and take a look at all of Dane County. If you're to the north of Madison, up towards Cross Plains, Mazomanie to Forest, you are in the clear. But from the city of Madison, actually this whole area of thunderstorms, which extend just south of Rdmvtl towards Mount Horeb and into the southeastern half of Dane County, including communities such as Belleville, Stoughton, Deerfield, and Cambridge. There is a threat of tornadoes. Again, we had
nice.
Here in the southwest
Can't get Kari on her phone.
Of a tornado.
Either got it turned off or she's flying somewhere other than Kansas.
There's also a tornado reported 2 miles south of Madison at the intersection of Highway PD and Highway 12 and 18. That was about 10 minutes ago. Let's see, I would assume that there are not warnings in effect yet for Greene County, which includes McGuire, Swanton Rock County, which includes communities such as Gainesville and Evansville.
And Kari is unreachable. Yes, she's unreachable because she has her off. This has freaked me out too much because I've called my mother-in-law and asked her to call Kari. Well, they're only saying that there's tornadoes ripping trees out of the ground and everything. React, I like to think it's nice that somebody would care about somebody so much because they couldn't get a hold. But anyways, she just called. It's 9:30. She's just above Stoughton, which is just out of the clear. She said it stopped raining, so that makes sense with the map. Okay. Cool. Yeah, it's just slamming into Evansville right now. Hope they're alright. Kari's somewhere in the middle here.
You just look myself like, oh, phone's not on. It's like, you need to do something. Shit pisses me off.